Today we begin what is hopefully the first in many segments that I'm calling Saṅgha Hāsyācitra, or community memes, which is a meme showcase of our community. I have asked our Shri Hāsyācitrakara, our honorable meme maker, Bubbles, as he is known by username, to prepare the first batch. But I want you to know that if you want to submit memes for the next Saṅgha Hāsyācitra, then please check out the link tree in the bio. There's a meme submission form there. It's very easy and straightforward, and I encourage all of your mimetic creativity. But more than anything, I want to show you the few memes that Bubbles had prepared for us today. So without further ado, please allow me to bring them up now. Bubbles is the best, I agree. Alright, here's the first one. Oh, gonna have to adjust it here. I'm hoping you can see this. I'm gonna try to make it nice and big for you. So this is someone saying, you need to speak goodness into existence. Sanghis giving each other advice. And then there's someone falling off a cliff. You need to speak goodness into existence. Here's the next one. Here's a video. This is the petal bija segment that I often do. Is that really what it sounds like when I'm doing these mantras? The breath. That's good. Yeah, that is kind of what I sound like. I love the SpongeBob reference. I remember that episode when that aired. That was good. Yeah, that was funny. Here we have another similar one as the first. Someone saying, focus on the positive in the situation. And someone, their hand is reaching out, drowning presumably. Sanghis giving each other advice. Very humbling. Yes. Alright, what is this one? I don't know. I recognize this is an old internet meme.
It's an arrow. Why would you do that? It's an arrow.
Why? Am I that terrifying? Oh no. That's good. That's funny. I like that, Riri. Yeah. Just breathe underwater. Come on, there's oxygen. That's why they call it H2O. There's literally 2 oxygen for every water molecule. Yeah. We are so wise. I'm glad you like this segment so far, dear Magdalene. Alright, Moksha. This is Moksha. Treasure chest, baby.
No! No! No!
No, we all want moksha, but no, not happening. Okay, last one. Saṅghi's working through heavy trauma. Bubbles. I love that. A meme about the meme maker himself. Brilliant. Thank you. That was good. Alright. That was the first ever episode of Saṅgha Hāsyācitra. I'm very grateful for our Shri Hāsyācitrakara, our honorable meme maker Bubbles, for providing the first installation. But please help lessen the burden of creating memes solely by Bubbles G. And make sure you check out the brand new submission form in the link tree. Meme submission. Please, I'm begging you. Here, this is my best pleading face. Memes. More memes, please.